What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to conduct a reality check on augmented reality in order not to lose touch with, well, reality. That was a lot of realities. But that's just the reality of the situation. Okay, I'll stop. So what even is AR? And when should you actually use it? Augmented reality is a way to view the real physical world, but with overlaid computer-generated graphics and other that responds to your surroundings in real time. There's actually been artwork in the back of my videos this whole time and you probably didn't even notice. Which leads us to an I Know a Guy case study to give you a little gist of AR. My friend Manny, who goes by Aloe, develops art that bridges the gap between old and new. It pays homage to the big art names, the Picassos, the Renoirs, the Van Goghs, and brings them all into the 21st century utilizing AR. By simply raising your phone, you can turn his simplified pieces into the originals that they were inspired from. Kind of a lesson in art history that enhances how we interact with and experience art. So yeah, quick example of AR tech in case you missed that whole Pokemon Go boat. But when should you actually use it? So often I'm looking through student portfolios and I always see an AR piece that is tacked on to the end of a campaign. When recruiting talent, we really love to see that you're exploring new tech. It's great. It's wonderful, but the idea has to make sense for the medium. Please don't just throw in an AR idea into your campaign just to check the hey, I'm down with the trends box. There is one important question. Is it purposeful? If the client asks you why they should invest their budget into your AR idea and you say, I just think it looked really cool, run, hide, just get out of there. Your AR idea should enhance the overall user experience for your customer. It should be engaging or helpful or tell a story. It should provide a new way to connect with and interact with your brand in a way that you just couldn't do on any other platform. Example time. Let's talk the good and the bad. An AR app that allows you to see IKEA's furniture in your very own room. Good. Seeing how the furniture fits with your overall design aesthetic in the area in which it will actually live is a huge plus when purchasing products. It's trying on the furniture to see if it looks good, eliminating that whole worry and hassle of sending it back if it ends up looking like. Speaking of trying on, an AR functionality that allows you to try on new kicks. Good. It saves you a trip to the mall and provides you with more confidence when shopping online. An AR app that scans movie posters and shows you the trailer. Bad. The user has to download the AMC app, navigate in the app to the My AMC section, and tap the Try AR button. You know what's faster? Searching for the movie trailer on YouTube. They didn't give any kind of real unique experience, barely interacted with the actual environment, and they actually wasted more of the user's time rather than saving it. Yeah. AMC you later. A Toys R Us in-store Easter egg hunt with kiddos on tablets finding eggs in the aisles that contain coupons for actual toys. Yeah, that's good. They brought fun entertainment for the kids and offered discounted incentives for the parents. Win-win. Fun. A Heinz ketchup AR app that allows you to scan a ketchup bottle to flip through a recipe book. Bad. This is something you can easily do on a microsite, any social media platform, or hell, even a piece of direct mail. This is an example of using AR just to use AR. Let's leave that one behind. So why? Why now? I've made 100 videos at this point, and AR has been around forever. As you are well aware, we are in the middle of a crazy, unprecedented time with COVID-19. I hope you, your friends, your family are staying safe. But even when this pandemic eventually moves along, when it's over, there may very well be some long-term effects to the ad world that change how we sell products. Retail anxiety, high-touch shopping experiences, face-to-face interaction might be avoided by some. And as these people seek more digital-driven alternatives, they are primed to seek out new ways of shopping and experiencing, which leaves just a huge opportunity for AR. Your next AR idea could enhance the shopper's experience with your product while building the confidence to purchase without someone even needing to touch it. That's pretty powerful. Try to go beyond the initial wow factor of AR tech and create something that provides real value, that gives them an experience that they couldn't have otherwise. Look through the screen and build a world on top of the one we already live in. Sub, like, comment if that's your thing. And if you're new to the industry and you want to schedule a one-on-one video call with me just to kind of ask a few questions that you might have, go ahead and throw me an email at opendoorcreative.com. I'd love to talk to you. I appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, stay safe and good night.